Holy mother of tech, look at the size of this box! What? This is one of the biggest TV we've unboxed on the channel. Gone are those days where 55 inches used to be the dream standard TV, guys. These days, everybody wants like big screen experience at their home. For you people, I have something very interesting to show you in this video. This is a massive 85 inches 4K QLED TV from TCL. So previously, whenever people wanted to buy big screen TVs, maybe like 65, 75 inches TVs, right? They used to be like pretty expensive. Not everybody could afford them. But now TCL is changing everything in the market, guys. You're getting these big screen 75, 85 inch TVs with killer features at a very reasonable price point. This is a new model from the company called a C655, recently launched in the Indian market and offers like killer features. First of all, you're getting 4K quantum dot LED experience, and on top of that, really high refresh rate of up to 120 Hz. Dolby Vision, Dolby Atmos is there. 2.1 channel Onkyo speakers are also present on board, and not to miss out all of its interesting gaming features, auto low latency mode, VRR, and much more. So this is the reason I'm like very excited to unbox and show it to people in this video. Alright, then let's quickly get started with the unboxing. So guys, our brand new 85 inches 4K QLED Google TV from TCL came in this sort of packaging, and look at the size of this box over here, guys. Super massive, I would say. The model we'll be checking out today is TCL's all new C655 series, and as I've told you guys, it's available in multiple size variants. Today in the house we have the biggest edition, and as soon as you open the packaging, at the top side we actually get some accessories. These are your stands, guys, basically TV stands, very good quality slim blade design. Keeping that aside, you also get some accessories which include a smart TV remote that also incorporates a microphone on board for Google Voice Assistant, and along with that you're getting plenty of OTT shortcuts as well. We'll come back and talk about the remote at a later part in the video. You're also getting some free cables included, like a 3.5mm to RCA cable, a mains cord for the TV, 2 AAA batteries for the remote control, stand fixing screws, and also some paperwork. Just make sure to read that. That's it, these are all the accessories. Now let's finally get started with our main unboxing, guys. I'm pretty excited to show you how this TV looks like. Oh my god, are you people looking at the size? Holy moly, now that is one massive TV, guys, one of the biggest we have unboxed on our channel. So what I'll do is I'll quickly set it up, install the stands, use it for a couple of days, and then be right back to continue this video. Alright boys, I'm back to continue the video. I've been using this TCL's all new 85 inches C655 4K QLED Google TV at my place for almost like 7 to 8 days, and there is a lot I'll have to share with you all in this video. We'll be talking about the picture quality, massive size, sound quality, and not to miss out all of its gaming related features as well. So I'm pretty sure all your questions will be answered in this video, and that is the reason don't skip any part and make sure to watch it till the end. First of all, let me share you like my initial impressions and thoughts as soon as I saw the TV. Now you people might have already seen during the unboxing, right? 85 inches is no joke, guys. This is a massive TV. I mean, look at it. I'm looking tiny sitting beside the TV, and in fact this TV is so huge it was not sitting in my TV cabinet behind me, guys. That is why temporarily I've placed it on the floor so I can give you a demo and share my experience about the TV. Later we'll be wall mounting it at my place. But I'm telling you, right, 85 inches feels absolutely behemoth size. We've unboxed so many 65 inches TV, 75 inch TV also on the channel, but this is our very first 85 inches 4K TV, and it's like totally next level stuff, guys. I was blown away with the experience. Feels like having your own theater at your home. So what I'll do is I'll quickly play some 4K videos for you people. Just check out this demo, and then we'll talk about the picture and the sound quality. Okay, you people saw those demos, right? What do you think? Share your thoughts in the comment section down below. Now, as I've told you at the beginning, TCL's C655 is a 4K QLED TV available in like multiple size variants from 43 inches to all the way up to 75, and the massive 85 inch size variant as well. Today in the house we have the biggest size variant, guys, 85 inches, and I've been using this TV for the last couple of days, played a variety of content on YouTube and also a couple of movies and web series on Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, and I was like quite quite impressed with the picture quality. So first of all, if you talk about the detail, right, obviously you're getting like native 4K resolution spread across 85 inches. There's good amount of detail. Initially I was a bit skeptical because you're getting like 4K resolution at this massive 85-inch size, right? How would the detail and sharpness would be? But nothing like that. I was actually quite surprised. There is excellent amount of detail and picture looks razor sharp, guys. I mean, look at the text over here, very easily readable. And if you ask about the colors are also pretty good. Obviously it's a quantum dot LED 4K TV, right? And when light strikes, this quantum dot particles present on the nano layer on the front side, right, they produce strikingly beautiful looking colors, very vivid and rich looking colors. Color science, color volume, and also color accuracy also pretty nice. The panel covers almost up to like 95% DCI-P3 color gamut with a delta E value of less than 0.99. That means it is capable of producing very natural and realistic looking colors out of the box, guys. And as I've told you, I was like pretty happy and satisfied with the colors. I mean, look at these RGB values over here. The reds, greens and blues just pop out on the display. Talking about the contrast ratio is also pretty good. Again, this particular model features TCL's T-Screen Pro that offers 5x contrast enhancement. That is the reason you're getting like a really good contrast and a uniform gray level, and black levels are also pretty decent. And not to forget, the TV has like 100 plus local dimming zones. So this is not your regular edge-lit TV, guys. So compared to edge-lit TVs, here you're getting 100 plus local dimming zones. That means the TV is capable of individually controlling these local dimming areas, and that offers a lot better contrast ratio and also deeper black levels as well, plus a little bit brightness enhancement also. So typical brightness value of this TV is roughly around like 400-450 nits and gets your job done, and is capable of going up to like 600 nits in HDR, guys, peak brightness. So overall experience was pretty nice, and I had like a really good experience watching a lot of movies on Netflix and Amazon Prime Video. On the overall, I'm telling you, right, you're getting like a very satisfactory panel quality for the price that you're paying. Only thing, if I had to nitpick, right, the panel seems to attract a little bit of reflections and glare, especially if you have like a lot of light sources in the room. So this is something you might have to keep in mind. But apart from that, everything else was fine, and viewing angles are also pretty good. And wait a second, I haven't told you about the panel type, right? You're getting a VA panel on this particular model. And one more highlight I forgot to mention is the TV does support high refresh rate mode as well, and is capable of offering up to 120 Hz using TCL's DLG technology. We'll come there and talk about that during the gaming section, guys, so stay tuned. And yes, along with that, the TV also supports MEMC as well. Ambient tone is also available that automatically adjusts the picture brightness or display settings depending on your ambient level lighting, guys. So that is also a plus point. And not to miss out, eye care option is also there. So if you're watching the TV for longer periods of session, right, you can enable eye care mode. That will offer you like very comfortable watching experience, guys, without putting a lot of stress and strain on your eyes. Keeping the picture quality aside, let me also tell you about the sound. The speakers on board are quite special on this model, guys, featuring a 2.1 channel Onkyo speaker setup. So you're getting stereo speakers on board along with a dedicated subwoofer at the back side, and the whole setup can easily produce around 50 watts of audio output, guys. And not to miss out, Dolby Atmos support is there. DTS Virtual X support is also available. All the mids were crisp and clear. I could easily hear and understand the dialogues, and not only that, treble quality was also decent. Not to miss out, you're also getting like integrated subwoofer at the back side, right? So yes, it was producing like decent bass. So for your day-to-day sort of requirement, right, this sort of setup is more than enough, guys. Unless you're looking for a realistic 5.1 home theater setup with a dedicated AV receiver, I don't think you'll need to go for like an external soundbar. The built-in speakers will easily get your job done. Finally, moving on, let's also talk about the home screen, software experience, and Google TV UI as well. As I've told you at the beginning, TCL C655 is a Google TV, so obviously you're getting like complete Google TV experience over here. And here's how the home screen on it looks like. Plenty of sections, and you might have already seen plenty of videos on my channel, right, that are based on Google TV UI. So very similar experience you'll get on this model as well. Here you can check out a lot of recommendations and content depending on your interests and the type of content you watch. It automatically keeps updating once in a while. Going down, you also have some access to a lot of apps over here, like basically your shortcuts. You're getting all your favorite content and OTT apps like pre-installed on the TV, guys, so that's a plus point. Netflix is there, Disney Plus Hotstar, Amazon Prime Video, Z5, Jio Cinema, all these apps came pre-installed. You just need to log in with your details and get started with your content. And one more thing I have to mention, are you people looking at the TV's navigation and the whole performance over here? TV's performance is very good, guys. The whole navigation navigation, app opening and closing transitions, everything feels super smooth and I didn't face any sort of lag or stutters during my usage. Let me also quickly open up the settings and talk about the picture and sound settings available. And first of all, this TV has support for Wi-Fi 5 and Bluetooth version 5 as well. And yes, dual band Wi-Fi support is also there. Now moving forward, if you talk about the storage, right, on board you're getting 32 GB of storage, out of it around 24-25 GB is available to use. So yes, even if you want to install some apps or games from the store, right, you can easily do that, not an issue at all. And by the way, let me also give you a closer look at the remote and talk about all of its smart features you're getting. So this is how TCL C655 remote looks like, quite slim and modern looking design, right? In fact, you're getting like beautiful brushed metallic sort of finish, but the actual body is made of polycarbonate. Lots of buttons and controls are available that include OTT app shortcuts as well, like Netflix, Prime Video, TCL channel. All of them can be easily accessed from the remote. And last but not the least, as I've told you, this is a smart Google TV, right? Obviously, you're getting voice control support as well, voice assistant with an integrated microphone present on the remote, guys. All you need to do is simply click on this mic button on the remote, ask your question and get all your results very quickly on the TV screen. So before moving on to the other aspects, let me also talk about the design and build quality. TCL C655 has a premium and elegant looking design for the price that you're paying. You're getting a three-sided nearly bezel-less sort of look and feel from the front. You do get a little bit of chin on the bottom with the TCL logo and some status LED indicators and built-in microphone as well. That's it, there's nothing else over here. Now talking about the stands, quality of the stands is also nice. As I've told you at the beginning, you're getting slim blade design stands with a beautiful brushed metallic sort of finish, and the overall durability, build quality of the TV is very nice, guys. Definitely feels solid and stable. Let me also show you all the available connectivity ports. Plenty of connectivity ports available, easily accessible on the left profile of the TV. You're getting one USB 2.0 Type A port, Ethernet LAN port is also there, 3 HDMI ports are there, but out of them only one supports HDMI 2.1 and also EARC, so you'll have to keep this point in mind. Along with that, RF antenna in, digital audio output is also available, one USB 3.0 port is there and a headphone jack is also available. Okay, I know you people have been waiting for this part, so let's quickly talk about the gaming related features. TCL's 85-inch C655 features a 4K panel on board and supports up to 120Hz refresh rate, and you're getting like almost all the gaming related features like auto low latency mode, VRR support is also there, a dedicated game mode is available and plenty of other stuff. But one thing I have to mention is to access that high refresh rate, you'll have to go into the settings and enable this option, guys. So TV features something known as DLG technology, which is exclusive from TCL and offers 120Hz refresh rate, but at a reduced resolution of either 1440p or 1080p. So basically, if you want higher refresh rate, resolution is gonna come down on this model. You can even check out all these settings when connected to my PC over here, guys. There you go, this is what I was talking about. But anyways, overall gaming experience has been really good, especially if you play a lot of games on your consoles like Xbox or PS5, right? And you're looking for like a really big 65 inches 4K TV for this sort of purpose, right? This TV will get your job done. Very minimum latency because you're getting auto low latency mode. VRR support is also there. See, for this price point, I think it was doing a really good job in the gaming segment. Well, that is pretty much it. Time to wrap it up. Our video on TCL's all new C655 series 4K QLED Google TV. If you're especially looking to buy like a large size TV, maybe like 65 inches and plus, or maybe like an 85-inch model like this, right? That too at a reasonable price point, you can definitely have a look at this model. I mean, value for money TV is what I can say. You're getting basically everything. Dolby Vision, Dolby Atmos, 2.1 channel on-cue speaker setup is also there. Not to miss out all those gaming related features with up to 120Hz refresh rate, auto low latency mode, VRR, and basically checks all your gaming needs. Pricing for the 43 inches variant starts at only around 27,990 rupees and goes up depending on the size and variant. Our 85-inch variant costs around 1,49,990 rupees. Links for that will be available in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that's it. If you all enjoyed watching it, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.